So who gets the family dog when you separate? This is Philip. About 7 years ago, Philip and I recorded a very long video about who gets the dog. It was about 7 years ago. Philip was very cute back then, not a senior like he is now. We've all changed a little bit, haven't we? So there's changes to the Family Law Act which are coming into effect in August of this year. And previously or currently, with your court orders, the court doesn't have power or jurisdiction to make orders about custody of pets. So the new law is introducing a section of the Act for property settlement, which includes companion animals. Companion animals are essentially family pets, like beautiful Philip here. So what the new legislation is going to do is it will allow the court to make orders about where a pet lives, a transfer of a pet, or the sale, believe it or not, the sale of a pet. So the court won't be able to make orders about custody, live with type arrangements. There'll be no going back and forwards of the dog, that sort of thing. But where the pet lives, where the pet might have to be sold, or the transfer of an animal from one person to another. So I'm going to keep talking about that. And with the changes, I'm going to introduce another companion of mine because things have changed a little bit. And this is where I introduce little Molly, who became my companion just this week. So things have changed, haven't they, Molly? And the law has changed with it. So the reason for the changes is they've all come into effect as part of the family violence update in the Act. So there's now a list of factors that the court can actually consider when making an order about pets. So it's going to look at things like family violence. Has there been family violence? Has there been alleged violence towards animals? Who has been the main carer of the pet? Who acquired the pet? Who's got capacity to care for the pet if you want them? So it's going to look at all of those factors. So it's not going to include non-companion animals. So for example, farm animals, service dogs, obviously. But this is all the new changes for, for companion dogs. So that's coming into effect in June. I'm excited to see what the changes mean because previously there was no specific provision in the Act for companion animals. So I hope that's helpful. If you've got a little furry friend that you want some advice about, then please let us know and watch out for our other videos in the series which don't include Philip or Molly. Okay, good girl, Molly. Bye for now.